Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Maths. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions, exercise 5.2, question 9. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So like the other sums we have done, question 8, 7. So same way only we have to find out. So try to understand here, third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8. So that means they are given to us, third term is 4, then ninth term is minus 8. So which term of this AP is 0? So what are the values are given to us? Third term, right? So third term we say A3, right? So third term is given to us 4 and ninth term is given to us minus 8. So then which term? So that means we don't know. So which term AP is 0? So AN is given to us 0. That means N we don't know. So N value we have to find out. Here the third term A value is 4. Ninth term A value is minus 8. Nth term A value is 0. So what is the nth term that we have to find out? So we'll put it in equation form because first term is not given to us, second term is not given to us, so we don't know the D value. So whenever this situation arises, you have to write this into equation form and using elimination method get the D value and then put it in any of the equation and get A value and then use the formula and get the N value. Like sum 8, 7 and all how we did, same way only we have to do it. So let's write down first the equation. Formula is what? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So let's write down third term we know, that is A3. So you can write this way, A plus N is what? 3. So 3 minus 1 D will give us A3, A plus 3 minus 1, 2D and given to us. So A3 is equal to 4. So A3 is equal to 4. Let's consider this as equation 1. So next A, 9. So A plus N value is 9. So 9 minus 1 D will give us A9, A plus 8D, A9 is equal to minus 8. So this also is given to us. So now we have to find out AN. So we don't know N value. So we write as it is N minus 1. And D also we don't know. Right? So which is equal to AN is equal to 0. So 0. So this is equation 3. So we have equation 1, equation 2 is given to us, the answer, but here we don't know the N value, we have to find out. So let's, using elimination method, we will get the value of D, because elimination method A gets cancelled, so then we can get the D value. Once we get the D value, you can put any of this equation, the value of D, and get the value of A. So once you have A and D, and you know AN also. So you will have A value, you will have a D value, AN value is given to us. So we have to get the value of N. So let's do it now. So from equation 1 and 2, we have, that is A plus 2D is equal to 4. Then A plus 8D equal to minus 8. So now let's change the sign, because elimination method means we have to eliminate. Both are in plus, so we can't eliminate. So let's change the sign. This will become minus, this also will become minus, this will become plus. So this gets cancelled. Then here the biggest number is minus. So 8, you subtract from 8 to 2, you will get 6. This is plus, this is also plus. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. So let's keep D one side. This minus 6 comes this side, will become division. So when you divide, you will get D value minus 2. So we have d value, so put the value of d in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? That is a plus 2, d value we have, so minus 2, which is equal to 4. So a plus here 2 2s are 4, minus is there, minus. So a we keep it here only, minus 4 will come this side, will become plus 4. So a value is 8. So now we know d value, we have the a value. So let's put into the equation 3. So in equation 3 we will put it. So equation 3. So now we have in equation 3 an equal to a plus n minus 1 d equal to 0. Okay, this is our equation. That is an only is equal to, this is the equation, is equal to 0. That means an value is 0. So no need to write here. See here, you see an is 0. Which term of this AP is 0? So an is 0. We have to find out the n value. So an value is given to us 0. A we know, just now we found out 8. N minus 1, we don't know n value. And d we found out minus 2. So bring this plus to this side, it will become minus 8. Then we have n minus 1, then minus 2. So now this minus to bring this side, here it is in multiplication. When it comes this side, it will become into division. So minus 8, this will be in division. Minus 1. So minus minus gets cancelled. Then 2, table 2 gets cancelled. Then 4 times table 2 will give us 8. So 4 equal to n minus 1. Now this minus 1 when comes this side, it will become plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So n value is 5. So this is our answer. So nth term is 5. So that means, so which term? So the fifth term of this AP is 0. So that means we have found the answer, right? That means the fifth term of A will be 0. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.